In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Give the app a moment to load and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your documents. This is the home base for everything you'll do, and it's where you'll access your tools and recent files. Next, open a PDF you want to work with. On the home screen, look for the Recent section and choose any sample or recent file you'd like to practice on. Clicking a recent document is the quickest way to jump in and follow along. Once your PDF is open, look to the top of the screen and click Edit. This brings up the editing tools you'll need. Even though the name suggests changing the document, this is also where you'll find options that make reviewing and marking up text easier. If you don't immediately see the tool you need, don't worry. Just make sure you're in the correct view and the toolbar is visible. Now click the icon for highlight selected text. This typically looks like a marker or a pen with a line beneath it. When it's active, your cursor will be ready to apply highlights. Think of this like picking up a physical highlighter. Once it's selected, you're set to mark the parts you want to emphasize. To highlight text, click and hold the left mouse button at the start of the passage you want to mark, then drag across the words. As you drag, you'll see the highlight appear. Release the mouse button when you've reached the end of the text you want to emphasize. If you're highlighting a longer section, you can drag across multiple lines in one motion. If you prefer to do it in smaller pieces, that works too. Just repeat the same click and drag action for each part. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If your highlight looks a little off, use the undo shortcut on your keyboard to try again. Zooming in a bit can help with precision, especially on dense pages. If you want your highlights to stand out more, you can adjust the highlight's appearance later using the tools properties such as changing the color or opacity once you're comfortable with the basics. And that's it. Open Adobe Acrobat, open a recent PDF, click Edit at the top, choose the highlight tool, and click and drag to mark the text you need. Practice this on a short document, and you'll be ready to use it confidently on reports, articles, and study materials. Thanks for watching, and happy highlighting.